Mitochondria are often called the powerhouses of our cells, but new research shows they are much more than that. A recent study in Science revealed that mitochondria also act as defenders against infections. When cells were attacked by the parasite Toxoplasma gondii, mitochondria shifted their metabolism to use up folate, a nutrient the parasite needed to grow. By hoarding this resource, mitochondria starved the parasite and slowed the infection. This finding shows us something important. Healthy mitochondria are not just about energy. They help control how our bodies fight off threats. That means keeping them strong could support both our energy and our immune defense. Luckily, there are lifestyle choices and supplements that can help. Nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, is a compound that helps raise levels of NAD+, a molecule mitochondria need to make energy and repair DNA. NAD+ levels naturally decline as we age, which may contribute to fatigue and slower recovery. Studies show that taking NMN can increase NAD+ in humans, although results on long-term benefits are still mixed. How to use: in research, doses between 500 and 1,000 mg per day are common. Best supplement, donotage.org. Use code POSHFitness for 10% off. CoQ10, supporting energy transfer. Coenzyme Q10, or just CoQ10, plays a key role in the electron transport chain, the system mitochondria use to produce energy. It also works as an antioxidant, protecting cells from oxidative stress. CoQ10 levels can be lowered by age or medications like statins. Clinical studies suggest CoQ10 can reduce fatigue and muscle damage, especially in people under stress or with deficiencies. How to use: common doses are 100-300 mg per day, ideally with meals that contain some fat. Best supplement, donotage.org. Use code POSHFitness for 10% off. Fucoidan, seaweed for mitochondrial health. Fucoidan is a natural compound found in brown seaweed. In lab studies, it has been shown to activate AMPK and PGC1A, two signals that help mitochondria grow and function. Animal research suggests it protects mitochondria from stress and supports energy production. Human studies are limited, but results are promising for brain and immune health. How to use: supplements often provide 300-1,000 being Yalmer daily. People with iodine sensitivity should be cautious. Best supplement, donotage.org, called SIRT6 Activator. Use code POSHFitness for 10% off. Exercise, the best medicine for mitochondria. Exercise is one of the strongest tools for mitochondrial health. Both endurance and high-intensity interval training increase PGC1A, which stimulates new mitochondria to form. Strength training also helps preserve muscle fibers that are rich in mitochondria, supporting metabolism as we age. How to perform: aim for 150-300 minutes per week of moderate activity, plus 2 or more strength sessions. Adding 1 or 2 interval workouts each week can further boost mitochondrial fitness. Low-carb eating, a flexible fuel strategy. Eating fewer refined carbohydrates may help mitochondria work more efficiently, especially for people with insulin resistance. Studies on low-carb and ketogenic diets show they can support mitochondrial function, although results vary depending on activity level and health status. How to use: focus on vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats, while limiting sugary and processed foods. Athletes may need to adjust carbs upward on heavy training days. Fasting, recycling old mitochondria. Fasting can activate a process called mitophagy, where the body clears out old or damaged mitochondria and replaces them with new ones. This process helps maintain a healthy mitochondrial network. Animal studies show strong effects, and early human studies suggest time-restricted eating may also trigger these pathways. How to perform: a safe starting point is a 12-14 hour overnight fast. Some people extend this to 16-18 hours once or twice per week, but fasting should always be adjusted to personal health needs. Mitochondria are more than powerhouses. They are guardians of our health. By taking care of them, we give our bodies the best shot at energy, resilience, and longevity.